Hello, in this video I'm going to be reviewing the Rode NT-USB studio quality microphone. So, I hear you're looking for a review of the Rode NT-USB microphone. That's great, you found the right place. Now, I did an unboxing of this the other day, and yesterday I played around with this microphone as well as the webcam microphone, just to give you a bit of a comparison between a normal microphone and this microphone. But firstly, when it came to setting up the microphone, it's actually probably a little bit bigger than I expected it to be. And due to my lack of space here, I can't really have it permanently set up anywhere because it blocks my screen there, can't have it there because I have a very loud computer there. What I've done is I will keep it permanently up there, but because if you haven't watched my unboxing video yet, maybe check it out after this or go check it out now and come back. This Rode NT-USB microphone actually comes with a 6-meter cable, which is great. So I mean, I can record over the other end of the room if I wanted to, but I've hooked up the cable permanently that goes from the back of my computer all the way through the monitors and then comes out here. So whenever I want it, I can just put it down like this, plug it in and start using it here. That way you don't have cables all lying around and coming through here and Okay, you're bored, I know. You want to get to the good stuff, don't you? You want to listen how good the quality of this is. You don't want to hear about my desk problems, do you? Fine, let's get to it. Alright, now I'm on the computer. I've set up the Rode NT-USB microphone to the computer. However, if it sounds pretty bad right now, that is because I'm not using the Rode NT-USB microphone yet, because I wanted to give you a bit of a comparison between a really good microphone like the Rode NT-USB to a lesser it is a lesser microphone, but a normal microphone that most people would probably use for your most everyday scenarios on a computer. But as you can tell, there's a lot of background noise, and the loud computer that you normally don't hear too much of on my good microphone on the actual proper camera, you will hear in spades in this microphone. But anyway, let's switch over to the Rode NT-USB, see how much of a difference there is between the two. Alright, now we are on the Rode NT-USB microphone. Sounding better, isn't it? And with the pop filter on there, my isn't as poppy and it's not making the microphone go and that's a good thing. So thank you, Rode, for including this pop filter shield thing here. A lot of microphones you don't get that, and from what I'm hearing through my headphones right now, because I've plugged my headphones into the Rode NT-USB so I can hear everything going through it, it's actually very nice, very clear, quite crisp. It's isolating my voice very well. You can hear a little bit of the computer, which is right next to it, but considering how loud that computer is, that's okay. If you had a computer that wasn't quite as loud as mine, then it just wouldn't pick up. But I'm going to have to find a way to quieten that down a bit. But yeah, overall, I think the Rode NT-USB is actually quite a nice microphone. I like the two dials on the side here. So these two knobs though are just for if you're using headphones. They're not for the gain in which you hear me. The top one is a mix control between what you're hearing on your headphones through the microphone and what's coming back from the computer, like the music you're listening to or whatever. And the bottom knob is for the overall content you're listening to on your headphones. All on a microphone at this price, $168. That's 168 Australian dollars, by the way. Nice construction, feels quite sturdy, sounds good. I really don't have any complaints. Even if you're like a singer and you need a microphone for singing, and I reckon this isn't a bad microphone. I'm not going to sing for you though. I mean, I'll definitely be losing subscribers and people will be clicking off the video and just, it won't be good. But yes, if you're watching Rode, very good microphone, very good for the price, and I highly recommend it. A lot of my reviews lately have been quite negative on products that just haven't matched my expectations. However, the Rode Enter USB is just as good as I wanted it to be, and yeah, 2 thumbs up on this one. That's about enough for this video. I might as well end the video here on the webcam and on the Rode NT USB microphone. Thank you for watching, everybody. Check out some of my other videos around here and hit that like button if you liked it, and I will see you in the next video. Okay, bye.